So first step is you need to go here, search and search for check for updates. And here you need to make sure that your device is fully up to date. After that, you need to go here, search and search for troubleshoot settings. Here you need to go for adult troubleshooters. And here you need to scroll down and find program compatibility troubleshooter. You need to press run. And you need to wait here for a bit. After that, you need to press yes. And after that, here you will get your applications, all the applications which could have a problem. If you don't find your application here, you need to go for none of the above. And after that, it will make you to follow those steps and you need to follow these steps. And after that, for example, if I am having problems here with Spotify, so I'll direct my messages here if these options are related to my problem. If not, I'll press none of the above. And it will try to gain more information, or it will tell you to try recommended settings. You need to press yes for it. After that, if your problem is solved, you need to press yes. If not, then no, and also follow the steps after that, and it will hopefully fix your problem.